Hey guys, I am back out here. 2002 Corvette, Chevrolet Corvette Z06, aka Z06. Why? Another thing to do. This thing is just an ongoing project. Definitely a big project. Anyways, let's see if you can see here. I'm attacking these. See right here, you see the oil? See if we get that in focus. There you go. There's oil leaks. And I figured out it's got to be coming from the valve cover gasket here. There's nothing else higher that's leaking. It's got to be coming from that. So there's several oil leaks in this car, but that's definitely one of the spots to address on here. So, I did tighten it. Anyways, I need to address it, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I heard that side's a pain, so I'm going to cross my fingers on that. A couple things. Paper towels. Of course, the new gaskets are blue, so they're easy to see. Those are gaskets for the bolts that you want to replace. That one, unless is for EGR, I think. And I've read 8mm, 10mm torque wrench. This is awesome torque wrench, by the way. And hopefully I could save some time and zap it with my ratchet. I haven't used my ratchet for a while. So, and some gloves. So, crossing my fingers that it's not too bad. I've been tired, man. I've been doing a lot of stuff on this car. New battery, pulled out the intake, replaced the knock sensors, replaced the valve cover, gaskets, replaced the intake manifold gaskets, found broken vacuum line there, patched that. Resealed knock sensors, found that vacuum booster, brake booster was loose back there too. So I've been discovering like things, actually a ground too. So I've been working on it, learning how this car works and how to repair things. So it's definitely been an experience. So more experience, more knowledge to share with you guys. If the difficulty level is really high or not. I think this is a lower difficulty level. Hopefully.
So basically you have several 10mm screws or bolts you need to get at here to help remove the coil pack. And then the valve cover gasket itself is 4 8mm bolts.
Alright, so that wasn't too bad. That means the other side's going to be horrible. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so I'm going to clean this up. It looks like it was actually sealed at one point too with the foul probe, but you see the gook right there especially. It's just leaking out, I guess, so I'm going to clean it up and then also replace the seals and go from there. Cross my fingers it's not worse. Alright guys, so these need a little force. They're greasy grommets, and you can see they just kind of hold up right there, but you just basically give it some force and then they give out and you get the new ones, and I guess you can forcefully stick it in. Make sure you stick in the right direction so you won't have a bad day.
So putting it back is basically the same. Passenger side it's easier, but driver side I don't know if it's going to be harder or not. But anyways, I'm using a boroscope camera to make sure that the gasket is covering all the edges before I start to seal everything up. And torque setting is 106 inch-pounds or 12 Newton meters.
So yeah, I pinned this up. It looks pretty good. Oil catch cans in the way a little bit, but it doesn't really mess with the holes. I can reroute that real quick. Actually, I think I'll go that way on top. But anyways, this is the easy side. And you saw earlier I used a camera so I could make sure that the parts I can't see are sealed. So that was cool. I'm glad I got that camera. Well, now the other side I'm gonna be that's the one I'm dreading, but we'll see. Before dark too, sun's coming down.
All right, so the driver's side is definitely more challenging. There's more stuff in the way. You can see the brake booster, the alternator. But whoever previously did it, they didn't get the bolt or put the bolt back behind the alternator, so the coil pack came out a little bit easier. Valve cover took a little trick to get in and out, but I got it, and then I ended up doing the same thing as the other way. It took a little bit more to get in there, like I said, and there I go again with the boroscope, just to make sure that the gasket was all the way around. It didn't pop off, because this one I had to do more. And again, the torque ratings is 106 inch-pounds or 12 Newton meters, I believe. So this one was a little bit harder. Someone before, I think, didn't put a bolt down here. So, but it's still pretty fun holding those bolts there. And I used the camera there and I torqued it. So it looks like it's sealed. Hopefully, I think what I should have done is clean up this head more down here. I just actually cleaned the valve cover gasket. Keep on smelling stuff. Maybe it's touching right there. He's not touching there. I'm smelling smelling something. Anyways, I think I got it. This is a 4 or 5 to install. That side's harder. But yeah, thanks for watching.